Hi everyone, thanks for joining us at our virtual community science workshop. My name is Mr. G, and today we're building a gutter car. Keep in mind, Ms. Shaver is the one building the project in this video. Most people are familiar with cars, trucks, and motorcycles that we see driving around the street. But you don't need gasoline or even an engine to make a car move. Like a gas-powered car, the gutter car has axles, which are rods that run through the holes in the wheels and allow the wheels to turn while remaining attached to the car. These axles help to reduce the friction between the car's wheels and the road, which allow the car to move. Instead of gasoline and an engine, the gutter car races down the track made of rain gutters by harnessing the power of gravity. When using the glue gun, hair longer than shoulder length must be tied back and safety goggles must be worn. Do not touch the tip or sides of the glue gun. If you get hot glue on your skin, wipe it off immediately to prevent serious injury. Do not leave the hot glue guns unattended. You have to also use closed-toed shoes when you are working with the glue gun. Okay, so the materials needed in order to build our gutter car are a wood block, straws, a dowel or dowels, adapters, poker chips, and let's see here for decoration, we're going to be using mylar and cardstock. This project also requires crayons or markers and hot glue, which are not included in the kit. We'll start the build by decorating the wood block using markers or crayons. You may also want to write your name on it too. Now this is optional, but you could also use the mylar and cardstock to decorate your car. Use hot glue to attach the cardstock fin to the top of your wood block in order to create an arc shape that resembles the top of a car. Next, we'll insert one dowel into the textured side of one yellow adapter. Insert the dowel into a straw, then insert the bare side of the dowel into the textured side of another adapter. Repeat this process so that you have two axles. Now place one large dot of hot glue in the very center of one poker chip and press the flat side of the adapter firmly onto the glue. Be sure that the adapter is centered on the poker chip and the dowel is sticking straight out of the hot glue. The wheels will not spin properly if the axle is tilted at an angle. Repeat this process 3 more times until you have 2 more sets of axles with wheels attached. Place a line of glue along the short width of the front side of the bottom of the wood block. Press the straw of the axle into the line of glue. Ensure that no glue touches the dowel or the wheels will not spin properly. Repeat this process with the other axle on the back side of the bottom of the car. Now you're ready to see your car race. Place the gutter car on a racetrack or other downward sloped surfaces and let go. Now I got a couple questions for you to think about as you experiment with your gutter car. Would your gutter car travel more quickly or more slowly if your track was very steep? Why? If you raced your gutter car against a wood block with no wheels, which one would win and why? Comment below with your thoughts and ideas, and remember to like this video and subscribe to our CSW network for new virtual STEM lab projects. You can also visit our website at cswnetwork.org for free access to our project library. This is Mr. G. Until next time, we'll see you in the next project.